set to oversee the band, that wisdom might in order stand by his commending hand. To Hiram, king of Tyre, he wrote, as David did before, send cedar, fir, and algum wood from Lebanon's rich store.
For who can build a house for him
Whom heaven cannot contain,
the highest heavens cannot hold
his glory or his reign. Yet we will burn sweet incense there and set the bread in line,
with morning, evening sacrifice according to design.
on Sabbaths and appointed feasts as Moses once decreed, a house not for his dwelling bound but for his honor deed. Then Huram blessed the God of heaven, who gave a son so wise, and sent a craftsman skilled in gold, in purple threads and dyes, in bronze and stone, in carving wood, in cunning art and flame, to fashion beauty for the courts, exalting God's great name. From Lebanon the timbers came by sea to Joppa's side. The stones were shaped in quiet hills where faithful hands applied. O Lord, whose throne is far above, O temple made by man, receive the work of willing hearts according to your plan.
Let every house we build
On earth each labor we proclaim.